Yeah, I know. Okay, come in. Good? Good.
You got me really cockeyed there.
Time and stop. Yeah, it's just I think that y'all should make sure you subscribe to Brother Rusher Tunes, and I just love Rylan. What can I say? He's a gem and a half. What do you have to say to the YouTube world?
Bottoms up.
When you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no. What do you do? Rolling, 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 rolling on the river, Proud Mary. We all live in the yellow submarine, green submarine, a green submarine.
Start fiddling around with the lake, you need to get approval on it.
Right.
sinking. Oh, okay.
We're
I was like, we're going down.
Me and my girls.
This is the life.
Woo! Hannah Montana.
Oh, my eyes.
I can take you places you ain't never been before. Baby, take a chance so you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands that I really like to blow. Swag, swag, swag on you. Chillin' by the fire while we eat fondue. I don't know about me, but I know about you. So say hello to falsetto in 3, 2, swag. I like to be anything you want. Hey girl, let me talk to you. If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. Keep you on arm, girl. For girlfriend, girlfriend. You give me my girlfriend. You give me my girlfriend till the ever end. Finger swing and a bud like Swiggy. Hey, what do you call a fake noodle?
What do you call a fake noodle?
An impasta. I want to hear a construction joke. I'm working on it. What do you call a bear with no teeth?
What do you call a bear with no teeth?
A gummy bear.
Wow, these are good. You might be wondering who this girl is beside me. It's it's Braden's friend.
No.
It's just Braden's good friend. Still now. They talk every day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Every day.
And now we became close. My sister became close. She's like a family friend. She's always here. I talk about my math 11 pre-co. This is her. That helps her.
Yeah. That's right.
And I help her.
No.
I help her too. Yeah. So we have a math 11 bond.
Yeah. That's it. That only like, you know.
She only uses me for my smarts.
No.
Nikhil. All I wanted was to break your wall.
All you ever did was egg me. Yeah, you
Oh my god! It almost fell off.
Just walk away. I will always want you. Da-da-da-da. I can live a life running for my life. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me. Wanted you to let me in instead of using force. Yeah, I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wreck me. Yeah, you wreck me. I'm Belle, and I'm
Not vertical.
This is Rylan attempting a front flip, and who knows if he'll actually be able to do it because he hasn't done it in so long. We'll see if he's capable. Nice. Stick it, stick it.
To catch the sunset. We made it to the sunset. We're gonna end this vlog here, so thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. It was a beach day. I went on the boat with Belle, so that was awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. We're gonna try to get good pictures of the sunset. You can't really see it in this camera, that's why we have a better camera to use. We will talk to you all later. Goodbye.